Rocky Knob with the crew. Got Blake out here.
What's up?
David, repping South Main Cycles with the pivot. Freshly shaved.
Yeah.
Looking handsome. Got Jeff, not freshly shaved.
Peace.
Still looking handsome though.
Yeah, baby.
The actor.
Let's do it.
And we got Anthony
not worked on your bike
with the comb over, looking fresh. About to shred harder than all of us, except for maybe David.
Bust down, then I'll pedal back.
The climb,
and then
about 3 to 4 times longer than Kanuga for anybody that wants to come out here. Steep, punchy, rocky climbs. So signage isn't great.
Yeah, it's not
crazy. Beat the crap out of us, didn't it? It was good though. We're all here. We made it. We made it.
Goal is 3 or 4 laps. I don't know if we're gonna get it. Oh, that's a double. Ah! Ying. Oh, I should have gone over that. Oh, that's a weird turn. Oh, what is this? Is this a line? Oh, I bet you could fucking send that all the way. I was going, honest to God, I was going to, but I didn't want to just. Knowing me, I would fucking kill us both trying to do that.
Couple turns are just like weird.
Oh shit, should have gone that way. Yeah, that was the right way. The off cameras caught me off guard. Yeah, that, all right, hold on.
I guess him to me.
You.
Oh yeah, he's like going on.
Oh, this trail's fucking sick. Sick. Oh, I remember this.
Oh, that's just a drop. Like,
Yeah, I don't think this is a feat. Chris didn't go over this. He went around it.
I mean, you can't.
Yeah, you and me both are just holding our fucking breath.
Neither one of us made a sound.
Oh, that one I want to look at.
Drop.
Does it look fine?
Yeah, it's totally fine. I should have just kept on rolling, but he just like keep momentum for nothing.
I'm good.
See, if you would have flipped right here, I would have been here catching it.
I'm good.
Yeah, hold on. What's going to be the best way to get your foot? Is that feeling better on your foot or no?
Yeah, I'm gonna like now take the. There we go. I don't even know what the fuck happened.
Knife the nose, I guess. Like
Had to.
You like hit it, like dove right here.
with the roll.
Oh shit. Oh, that's a jump.
Warm that butt back up.
Oh, what the fuck?
That's like a little drop.
What's this?
It's
Drop?
just kind of a drop, like you want to just kind of fucking...
Yeah, once you get on the other side of this rock, you get speed. Just pump it. Okay, so we were gonna take
This one, right?
Well, I did want to ride Stone Soup, but I don't know if that goes to... I mean, if that was a double black and most of it was easy except for a couple sections, that's a good trail to build some confidence on. Oh, that was definitely felt like some fucking rocks, dude. Those are sick little gappers in there too, though.
I had no clue where I was going. Or where to go.
Yeah, that would definitely be a good one to run a couple times. Yeah, there's no way we have enough suspension for that. Oh, wipe out.
Good.